More of this acoustic.
Prettiest girl in Austin, she's rooting for the Redskins. The Yellow Rose of Texas lost a pedal in the wind. She's cashing in her silver, her spurs that jangle, jangle. She's moving to New Orleans to spread her wings again. Some folks love the cowboy, some love to make a big noise. Some folks love the two-step, some love to make up new steps. She's cashing in her silver, spurs that jangle, jingle. She's moving to New Orleans to find a trail of wines and linger. Texas is too big and proud, like oil rigs are pounding loud. Some stray thoughts lost in the crowd, oh, quietly inspired. Texas let a songbird fly to love blue Louisiana skies. Don't know anyone out there's gonna miss her. Still the one bird shine. Still the one bird shine. Texas makes her dance too fast. She knew she wouldn't last too long. Out there in that desert, where she sweats out all her dreams. Texas made her tremble so, with tequila shots and guitar heroes that all kind of sound the same to her. Oh, steroid pumps fortissimo. Texas is too big and proud, like oil rigs are pounding loud. Some stray hearts lost in the crowd, oh, quietly inspired. Texas let a songbird fly to little blue Louisiana skies. Don't know if the Texas boys are gonna miss her. Still the one bird shine. Still the one bird shine. Still the one bird shine, yeah. Still the one bird shine. Still the one bird. Thank you, Norm.